Now I know what you're thinking, the Caddy's reverse lights don't work. I know. But apparently in the UK it doesn't matter if they work or not. But obviously for me, I'd love it if they do. Anyway, that's beside the point. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Mk1 Caddy YouTube channel. This is the channel dedicated to showing the restorations, fixes, upgrades, modifications to my 1985 Mk1 Caddy here in the UK. As you can see, it is another beautiful grey day, a very cold day here in the UK. And but nonetheless, we're here and it is another exciting moment for the Caddy's life because... Hang on. There we go. It's time to install the sound deadening. So we're here today to do the next job on the Caddy, which is install the sound deadening. Now, I reached out to you guys on Instagram and did like a poll to see, you know, what you guys recommended in terms of what companies to go for, and a lot of you said Dodomat. So it turns out Dodomat have actually been making products for about 30 years here in the UK. They're based in Oxfordshire, and a lot of people recommended them. And so what I did was I went onto their website, and what I ordered was something called a car kit. So as you know, the Caddy is only sort of half a car interior wise, so I'm sure I'll have some left over. But my plan is to cover the entire cab as much as I can with this sound deadening, because, you know, when I've got passengers in the Caddy, like my girlfriend, when we're touching shoulder to shoulder and we have to scream to each other just to have a conversation because it is just so loud. And obviously right now the Caddy has not got any sound deadening whatsoever. So everything rumbles, everything's loud, everything vibrates, you can feel everything. So a lot of you have been saying that, you know, going from no sound deadening to this full sound deadening is going to be night and day. So let's have a look at what I've got. Bloody hell. Oh, this is so heavy. Okay, so this is the actual sound deadening itself. It comes with two boxes. So you've got your first stage, which is the hex sort of sound deadening stuff that goes on first, and then we've got some super liner that comes second. So let's go over this first. So that's what it looks like right now. And obviously self-adhesive. Let me just read you the product description very quickly. So, a superb, cost-effectively value pack. This kit contains enough sound deadening and insulation to treat crucial floor and door areas of the average size car. The Dodomat Deaden sound deadening is applied first to metalwork such as the floors, the doors. This is a simple peel and stick application. Dodomat Deaden Hex provides a lower weight solution for the car owner wanting a quiet, smoother drive without adding unnecessary mass. To complete the installation, add a secondary layer of Dodomat Super Liner to the floor. The dense 6mm foam rubber layer will work in harmony with the Dodomat sound deadening layer to improve sound deadening and regulate cabin temperatures. It comes supplied as a 60 centimeters by 583 centimeter roll, and it covers 3.5 square meters. As for this is the Dodo Super Liner. So this is it's like a thick foam, I believe, that goes over the top, and then your carpet would go over the top of this. 6mm thick, 600 centimeters by 50 centimeter roll. Easy installation, cut, peel and stick. Thermally insulate panels, lower noise levels, reduces condensation, moisture resistant closed cell foam, strong self-adhesive layer, vehicle safety, fire retardant. So now we've got our sound deadening, it's time to prep the area, which means taking out all the interior. So if you've got a Mk1 at home and you're new to this and you want to see how the door cards come off and how you take the dashboard out, We're just going to do a montage right now of taking out the interior. I should explain also, this is just day one. Tomorrow I'm actually going to go to WebVectis workshop and take out the dashboard there. So today we're going to be looking at taking out the door cards, the headliner, the passenger seat. Let's get to it. So I've just gone to put the rear view mirror back in. And this is fuck, just snapped on me. Great. That concludes stage 1 of ripping out all the interior, getting it ready for the sound deadening. Now then, if there's anything that you've seen in this video that you want, please message me and I will send it to you for free, or you can come and collect it. Obviously if you want to pay for postage, that would help me out, but I don't know why you would want some of this stuff anyway. A lot of this stuff is just really grubby anyway. Look at that. Like, it's just really nasty, but you know, it's here. Some of it's like broken. Center console, which I think is from a cabriolet. This was what was in the Caddy when I picked it up. Obviously I'm going to keep the speakers, but obviously they've got massive circular holes in the back there. The person who bodged this up put like massive gauges in there and just chewed all that up, so it's not in great condition, as you can see. But it does have the Volkswagen badge there. If you want this center console, I know that a good condition one can go for about £100 on eBay or some shit like that. But if you want it, just message me, leave a comment below. I don't know if these are original, they don't look it, but if you want door cards, I don't think the driver's side one is in good condition. Which reminds me, I do have to take off the driver's side door stuff. I'll do that in a minute. If you want this, let me know. Yeah, like I said, the other one isn't in good condition, I don't think, but I'll put photos up on my Instagram. I'll just leave the handle there, go and follow me and find all the photos of this. I'll also be getting rid of these. These are actually in good condition, I would say. I bought these separately myself from eBay and they cost me about 30 quid for 2. So these things are just so expensive and so rare to find, so I'll be giving these away for free. It's all about putting stuff back out into the community and giving rather than focusing on receiving and asking money for stuff. So yeah. I've also got one of these for the gear shifter, so I don't know if anybody wants this for free, you can clean it up, it's yours. Obviously first come first serve, so just leave a comment below and let's get in touch. And that concludes day 1. The next step is to actually go to Adam's workshop and install the sound deadening. I'm just going to have the guys there just to supervise every now and then, just to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. So let's go to Adam's workshop. You know what, I've just realised why the passenger side blowers weren't working. Because it's missing this pipe, look. So on the passenger side you should have one of these, and there isn't one. So you see on that side, the driver's side, you've got the plastic tube under there, and then on the passenger side it should come out of there, but there's not one there, and that is why.